In front of me is SONY Xperia 1.2, and let me show you how to change keyboard language on the following device. So first of all, just open the messages, click on Start Chat, and as you can see we are currently set up with English. To change it, just click on the settings icon, go to languages, and click on Add Keyboard. And here you have the pretty long list of all possible and available languages, so you will definitely find something suitable. Just mark the language that you would like to apply. Let me pick Hebrew, tap on Done, and now remove unnecessary language. And if we will go back, we have this new language set up, so you can smoothly write in Hebrew right now. Then, if you would like to change the language again, just perform the same operation. Tap on the settings icon, go to the languages, click on Add Keyboard, and then select the language that you would like to apply. In my case, it will be English. So I will remove Yiddish, and that's it. So that would be all. This is it. This is how you can personalize keyboard language. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.